Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw Trust Wallet to bank account. First of all, open your any crypto application. For example, I'm using Coinbase, so I'll open the Coinbase and then click on transfer. From here, you have to click on receive crypto. A new page will open. From this page, you have to select the crypto that you want to transfer. For example, I want to sell my USDC. I will click on it. Then all you have to do is copy the address code of your USDC. Once copied, you have to close your application and open your Trust Wallet app. In Trust Wallet, you have to choose your cryptocurrency. From here, you have to click on Send button. On this page, you have to enter or paste your Coinbase address that you have just copied. Click on Paste button. And on the amount section, you have to enter the amount of USDC or your coin amount that you want to withdraw to your bank. And then click on Next. Click on Transaction Details. A new page will open. You have to click on More Details. Once your transaction status is changed from pending to completed, all you have to do is open the Coinbase app once again. Click on the transaction button on the bottom, and then you have to click on Buy and Sell. You have to enter your amount that you want to transfer, or you can select Sell All if you want to sell all. And then all you have to do is click on Sell Now. Now your order has been submitted and your crypto is now converting into cash. Now go back and select the Cash tab and click on the United States dollar. And all you have to do is click on Withdraw. From here you have to select your bank account, and you can also select Withdraw maximum amount to withdraw all of your USD. Now you have successfully transferred your crypto from Trust Wallet to your bank account. It will take 1 to 3 business days. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.